You are going to love the 2014 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, CD player. Your new ride is just a phone call away.